again, everyone. So today we still have to talk about something important, and still it is our school purposes. So I hope you still enjoy and watch my video, guys. Let's go! Hello everybody! So another day, another videos to make, but still it's all about Python programming. So I'm gonna give you a example again, and I hope you will learn some of it, and let's start. So our problem for today is create a program that applies Python indentation. Compare with and without indentation. So this is the code. So, in this program, the line F, number greater than 0, checks if the user number is greater than 0. The two lines under it are intended, which means they belong to the F block. These lines will only run if the condition is true. So, in this code, if the number is not greater than 0, Python goes to the else part. The lines under else are also intended. This shows that they belong to the else block and will run only when the condition in the F parts is false. And then the last line here, this one, the print, is not intended. This means it is outside of the if-else structure. It will always run no matter what number the user enters. If the user enters 5, this will be the outcome of the code. If the user enters -3, this would be the outcome of the code. So the code works correctly because the indentation is clear and concise. Python understands which lines belong to the if part and which line belongs to the else part and which line is outside both. So here is an example of a code that is without indentation. So in this code, the line after F and else are not intended. So Python expects that after an if or else line, there should be intended lines to show what belongs inside those blocks. But since there are none, Python gets confused and cannot tell which line go with the if or else. As a result, Python will show an error message. So it means that the program cannot continue until indentation is fixed. So the program cannot be continued if the indentation of the code cannot be fixed or not yet fixed. So in coding, why indentation matters? In indentation, Python is not just about making your code look neat. It is a requirement for the program to run correctly. It helps Python knows which lines or code belong together. It also helps other people read and understand your code easily. So when you use the correct indentation, your code becomes easier to read and understand. Your program runs smoothly without errors. Python clearly knows which parts of the code belongs to each block like if, else, for, or while. But if your indentation is wrong, Python will show an indentation error. The program will stop running until you fix the spaces or tabs. Always remember that for you to be able to run a program using indentation is you need to have a clear and consistent indentation. So guys, this is the end of our video, and I hope you have learned something about what I've discussed and from my example that I've given to you. And thank you again for watching, and goodbye.